Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to convert USDT to TRX in Binance. Once you click on trade, go to Binance Convert or Spot, but I will choose Spot. Now at the right side in the search bar, type for TRX or Throne. Now scroll down. At the right side, you will see BTC and change it TRX. Then select amount. After you can confirm it, go back to the trade at the top. And select Binance Convert. From here, change in USDT. At the bottom, change it TRX. After you change it all, select on the bottom a confirm or preview conversion. After that, go to your wallet and check your coins. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.